In an era of global change ecology, all of the big questions really require putting data and ideas together from all over the world.
The potential for generating a really truly broad understanding of how the planet works is really powerful from this network.
Our synthesis groups draw on LTER data to ask totally new questions and develop new insights. One synthesis group looked at the structure of marine ecosystems, all the way from Alaska to Antarctica. Another synthesis group looked at the exports of silica from rivers to the oceans. They combined 1,000 river data sets to do that. So our working groups run for about 2 years. They meet 4 or 5 times over that time frame. Academic papers, ideas for proposals and new projects, combined data sets to analysis packages. All of those kinds of products come out of the working groups.
These synthesis working groups really afford us the time, the energy, and all of the resources that it would take to actually go through data and information from all these different locations, integrate it, and address a question that we would otherwise not be able to.
And what happens is they go into a meeting room and you see the spark of insight that comes from bringing people together across these different places where they're able to ask questions, use data, learn from each other in ways that they just couldn't do anywhere else.
It does require a different mindset, right? There's a little bit more of exploration and play. There's a little bit more data skills, and you're often bringing in multiple perspectives. Trying to make sense of it all is often where new ideas can pop up.
The LTER-funded synthesis working groups are just one small slice of synthesis science around the network. The LTER collects all of this great data. It's publicly available, and because of that, synthesis science springs up everywhere.
So we post every time we have an opportunity, which is every year now. Anyone is eligible to apply to run a working group, and then often working groups that are awarded will open up an opportunity for anyone to join them.
Across the network, there's just a range of questions that we can ask at scales bigger than individual sites. There's really an explosion of opportunity in this space for doing synthesis research.